Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the reversed function in Python. The reversed function returns a reversed iterator object. Okay, so let's see that in action. So let's do something like alphabets equals to a list A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, in case if you remember, the list in Python has a built-in method which is reverse. So what we can do something like this: alphabets dot reverse, call the function and print the alphabets. Okay, now if I run the program, as you can see, this list is now reversed. Okay, but as you can see, it is reversing the list in place. That means it is directly modifying the alphabets list. If you do not want to do that, then you can use the reversed function. So what we can do something like this here. So reversed alphabet equals to reversed, and here we have to pass the sequence or the iterable, basically alphabets. Okay, and here we can print the reversed alphabets. Okay, run the program. We are getting this object here. Okay, so this is not that much great. So what we can do, we can convert this reversed object into a list by using the list constructor. Okay, if we do that, now as you can see, we are getting the list which we had in the reversed order. So this is basically the reversed function. One thing to point out here, what I'll do, I'll just comment out these two lines. Here what we can do, we can add a for loop directly into the reversed object, basically. So for character in reversed of alphabets. Okay, and we can print the character here. Okay, run the program. As you can see, we are getting EDCBA. Okay, so this is something which we can do. So this is basically the reversed iterator object. So whenever you see iterator object, you can assume that you can run a for loop for that particular object. Okay, so this is the reversed function in Python. Whenever you want to reverse some sort of a iterable, you can use the reversed function. Once again, it works with the list, it works with the string as well. So reversed something like hello. If I just do that, run the program, as you can see, we are getting hello in the reversed order. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So this is the reversed function in Python.